What if I told you there is a unique barndominium design that costs 30 to 50% less to build than traditional barndos, goes up faster, requires less skilled labor, and can withstand hurricane force winds? Today I am showing you Quonset hut barndominiums and exactly what you can build for under $150,000. This curved metal design is taking the barndominium world by storm, and the cost savings are real. Stay until the very end because I am revealing a company that specializes in these Quonset builds at affordable prices. Let's explore this game-changing design. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Quonset hut barndominiums are one of the most underrated options in alternative housing. That distinctive curved arch design is not just for looks. It delivers serious cost savings, exceptional strength, and surprisingly beautiful living spaces when done right. I have researched Quonset hut pricing, talked to builders, analyzed completed projects, and I'm giving you complete honest information about building one for under $150,000 in 2025. This is not theory. This is real pricing from real builds. We are covering 5 key areas. First, what makes Quonset barndominiums different and why they cost less? Second, realistic sizing and layouts for $150,000 budget. Third, complete honest cost breakdowns. Fourth, design strategies that maximize your money. And fifth, I am revealing an affordable Quonset specialist company. Before we go further, please subscribe and hit that notification bell for honest barndominium content. Smash that like button if you want affordable housing options. Comment and tell me if you have seen Quonset barndos in your area. Now let's talk about what makes these special. What makes Quonset barndominiums different? Let me start by explaining what Quonset hut barndominiums actually are and why they cost significantly less than traditional barndos. A Quonset hut is a prefabricated semi-cylindrical metal structure made of corrugated steel arches that bolt together. The name comes from Quonset Point military base in Rhode Island, where they were first mass-produced during World War II. Today they are used for homes, workshops, storage, and barndominiums. The key structural difference is the arched traditional barndominiums use straight walls and peaked roofs requiring beams, trusses, and complex framing. Quonset huts use self-supporting arches. The curved shape is inherently strong, requiring no interior support posts or beams. This creates completely clear-span interiors with zero obstructions. Why Quonsets cost less is straightforward. First, they use 40 to 50% less labor to erect compared to traditional construction. The panels bolt together like an erector set with minimal tools. Second, there are no heavy expensive beams or trusses needed. The arch provides all structural support. Third, assembly is so simple that unskilled labor can build them. Over 75% of Quonset buyers DIY their builds. Fourth, the prefabricated panels arrive ready to assemble, reducing material waste to almost zero. Quonset hut kit packages cost $6 to $20 per square foot for materials only. On average, installed turnkey costs range from $17 to $34 per square foot, including kit, foundation, delivery, and construction. Compare this to traditional barndominiums at $100 to $140 per square foot turnkey. The distinctive look is love it or hate it. The curved exterior and interior create unique spaces. Some people think the arch design is industrial and ugly. Others find it modern, distinctive, and beautiful. The arch ceiling inside creates dramatic vertical space and architectural interest without adding cost. Strength advantages are significant. The curved arch design naturally deflects wind. Quonsets are rated to withstand hurricane force winds up to 190 miles per hour and heavy snow loads. The continuous arch from wall to roof eliminates weak connection points that fail in traditional buildings during storms. They are recognized by FEMA for disaster-resistant construction. Modern Quonsets come in different styles. Q model is the traditional full semicircle. S model has straight sidewalls with curved roof. P model has a peaked roof profile. A model looks like a traditional peaked building. Each style offers different aesthetics and usable space while maintaining cost advantages. Realistic size and layout for $150,000. Now let me tell you what size Quonset barndominium you can realistically build for $150,000 complete turnkey. At $17 to $34 per square foot installed, Your $150,000 budget gets you 4,400 to 8,800 square feet if you use the entire budget just for construction. But that assumes perfect conditions. Realistically, accounting for site prep, utilities, permits, and contingency, you are looking at 3,000 to 5,000 square feet complete for $150,000. Compare this to traditional barndominiums. At $100 per square foot, $150,000 gets only 1,500 square feet. The Quonset design literally doubles or triples your space for the same money. A common $150,000 Quonset Barndominium configuration is 40 feet by 60 feet, equaling 2,400 square feet, or 50 feet by 60 feet, equaling 3,000 square feet. These sizes provide spacious living quarters plus shop or storage space. Many Quonset Barndo layouts use the space strategically. The first 1,500 to 2,000 square feet becomes finished living space with bedrooms, bathrooms, kitchen, and living areas. The remaining 1,000 to 2,000 square feet stays as garage, shop, or storage. This approach keeps finishing costs reasonable while maximizing usable space. Floor plans typically include 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2 to 3 bathrooms, open concept living areas, and attached shop or garage space. The clear span interior means no load-bearing walls limiting your layout options. You design the interior however you want. The arch ceiling height in the center reaches 16 to 24 feet, depending on building width. This creates dramatic cathedral ceilings in living areas. Near the edges where the arch curves down, ceiling height drops to 8 to 10 feet, perfect for bedrooms and bathrooms. Complete cost breakdown. Let me give you honest complete cost for building a Quonset Barndominium under $150,000. Quonset hut kit costs $6 to $20 per square foot for materials. For a 3,000 square foot building, kit materials cost $18,000 to $60,000. Most kits average $12 to $15 per square foot, or $36,000 to $45,000 for 3,000 square feet. Foundation costs $6 to $14 per square foot. For 3,000 square feet, foundation costs $18,000 to $42,000. Most Quonsets use concrete slabs. Assembly labor costs $10 to $18 per square foot if hiring contractors. For 3,000 square feet, assembly costs $30,000 to $54,000. Many owners DIY assembly, saving this entire cost. Site preparation costs $5,000 to $20,000, depending on land condition. Interior finishing is where you control costs. Finishing 1,500 square feet as living space at $60 to $90 per square foot costs $90,000 to $135,000. This includes drywall, flooring, kitchen, bathrooms, electrical, plumbing, and HVAC in living areas. The remaining 1,500 square feet stays as unfinished shop, costing minimal additional money. Let me show you a complete, realistic example. A 50 by 60 foot Quonset Barndominium equals 3,000 total square feet. Quonset kit $40,000. Foundation $30,000. Assembly labor $35,000 or $0 if DIY. Site prep $12,000. Interior finishing for 1,500 square foot living space $100,000. Permits $3,000. Contingency $10,000. Total with labor is $230,000. Total with DIY assembly is $195,000. To hit $150,000 budget requires DIY assembly and economical finishing choices. Example, 40 by 50 foot equals 2,000 square feet total. Kit $30,000. Foundation $20,000. DIY assembly $0. Site prep $8,000. Finish 1,200 square foot living space at $70 per SQ feet equals $84,000. Permits $2,000. Contingency $6,000. Total equals $150,000. Design strategies. Smart design choices maximize your $150,000 Quonset budget. DIY assembly is the biggest money saver. Quonset panels bolt together with basic tools. Many owners erect shells in days with help from friends. This saves $30,000 to $50,000 in labor. Partial finishing strategy works perfectly. Finish bedrooms, bathrooms, and living areas completely. Leave shop or garage area as basic concrete floor with metal walls. This provides immediate livable space while saving $40,000 to $60,000 you can invest in finishing later. Straight end walls are most economical. The Quonset kit includes arch panels. You build end walls separately using local materials. Simple straight walls with standard windows and doors cost far less than elaborate custom facades. Spray foam insulation is worth the investment. The metal arch needs proper insulation. Spray foam costs more upfront, but delivers superior energy efficiency and condensation control essential for metal buildings. Steel Master Buildings reveal. Now the company I promised that specializes in affordable Quonset barndominiums. Steel Master Buildings, based in Virginia, has been manufacturing Quonset huts since 1982. They have completed over 10,000 projects worldwide and specialize in barndominium applications. Steel Master kits start as low as $9 per square foot for materials. Their S model with straight walls and arched roof is most popular for barndominiums. They ship nationwide and internationally. Real customer projects show what is achievable. One Texas couple built a 30 by 50 foot barndominium with 1,230 square feet of finished living space. A Montana customer built a complete Quonset home, choosing the design specifically for strength to withstand severe weather. Steel Master provides custom pricing based on your specifications. They work with your zip code to ensure buildings meet local wind, snow, and seismic codes. Delivery typically takes 1 to 3 months from order. Their 50-year warranty backs all buildings. The Galvalume steel with Energy Star rating provides durability and energy efficiency. Most customers assemble their own buildings, with Steel Master providing detailed instructions. I want to be transparent. I'm not sponsored by Steel Master and receive no compensation for mentioning them. My research consistently shows they deliver quality Quonset kits at competitive prices with excellent customer service. Always get multiple quotes and do your own research. Quonset hut barndominiums offer exceptional value for budget-conscious builders. For $150,000, you can build 2,000 to 3,000 square feet, including living space and shop area. This is double or triple what traditional barndos provide at the same price. The keys to success are DIY assembly, saving $30K, plus partial finishing, leaving shop areas basic, using S-model design for better aesthetics, and working with experienced Quonset specialists like Steel Master. If this video opened your eyes to Quonset barndominiums, hit that like button and subscribe for more honest alternative housing content. Comment and tell me if you would build a Quonset barndo. I read every comment. Thanks for watching. Now explore whether a Quonset barndominium fits your budget and lifestyle. I will see you in the next video.